Another episode of the KNO Project. KNO observes, learns, adjusts. Yesterday, KNO closed in the noise zone, no major adaptation. Here are KNO's modules, each with its own strategy, capital, and parameters. KNO ended the day in neutral territory. $0.00 across 0 signals. Market noise dominated. KNO observes and silently adjusts its thresholds. Today's breakout, our bot Epicurus, plus $4, win rate of 31% on the session. On the other side, our bot macro collapses to minus $12. KNO reallocates its attention toward our bot Epicurus. Per module breakdown, each bot is an embodied hypothesis. First, our bot Epicurus, Epicurean philosopher, dining philosopher's coordination, ataraxia on moderate setups, performed at plus $4.24 over 520 trades, win rate 31%. Second, our bot the fish, fishing for small catches, tiny position size, high selectivity, suffered at $0.30 over 38 trades, win rate 32%. Third, our bot, Hydra, multi-head signal ensemble, one thesis per market regime, suffered at $0.53 over 151 trades, win rate 49%. Fourth, our bot, the turtle, cautious turtle, rare entries, long holds, suffered at $7.70 over 1 trades, win rate 0%. Finally, our bot macro, swing trading on multi-time frame, confirmed macro signals and suffered at $11.76 over 41 trades, win rate 51%. Strategy diversity is our laboratory. KNO observes which one generates a persistent edge and reallocates capital accordingly. No significant trade today. That is also a result. The absence of action proves the filters are respected. KNO doesn't force the market. Patience is a strategy in itself. How KNO decides in depth? Layer 1, entry filters. Minimum 3 out of 5 signals confluence. Momentum, volume, price structure, on-chain signals, and social sentiment. Minimum liquidity, $25,000 in the pool. Otherwise, slippage kills the edge. Momentum window 5 to 15 minutes. Long enough to confirm, short enough not to miss the move. Layer 2, position management. Fixed sizing at 1% of capital per trade. Strict stop loss at minus 5%. Tiered take profits 25% at plus 10, 25% at plus 25, the rest left to run with a trailing stop. Layer 3, learning. Each trade is logged with its full context. No discretionary decisions. Everything is coded, measured, and reviewed every week. The arc of the last 7 days. Out of 7 logged sessions, KNO closes at plus 0.00 cumulative dollars. 0 green days, 7 red days. Neutral trend. KNO is oscillating around 0. This is the territory where we verify if selectivity pays off against fees. Every episode is a data point on the curve, and the curve is what matters. KNO overestimated low volume breakouts. Tomorrow it will favor high conviction setups. The risks to watch tomorrow. First risk, fake breakouts in low volume. The crypto market chains traps. KNO must validate liquidity before every entry. Second risk, hidden correlation between modules. If all our bots trade the same coins at the same time, we lose diversification. Third risk, execution latency. On memecoins, a few seconds can turn a winning trade into a losing one. KNO measures exit to confirmation latency every day. Project stats. The detailed plan for episode 59. First, overnight recalibration of thresholds based on today's results. Marginal adjustment, no brutal pivot. Second, macro under strict surveillance. If losses continue, technical pause for deep analysis. Third, testing timing hypothesis. Entering 30 seconds earlier on very high conviction setups to capture the slope before the confirmed breakout. Risk, false signals. Reward, better entry prices. Fourth, inter-module correlation monitoring. Goal, 0 coins traded simultaneously by more than 2 bots. Open question for you. If you were to add a 5th filter to KNO's entry layer, what would you propose? Comment below. The best idea will be tested in episode 60. An experiment powered by KNO Innovation, AI consulting and innovation for ambitious companies. What hypothesis should KNO test tomorrow? Comment. Subscribe to follow its daily evolution. Thank you for showing up. This experiment wouldn't make sense without you. See you tomorrow. We keep learning together.